Hello students, welcome to geography class. Today we will discuss lesson number 11, Agriculture in India, part 2, Food Crops. Please open your book at page 217 for the same. The crop which we are going to discuss today in this video is pulses. India is the largest producer of pulses. It is also the largest consumer of pulses in the world. The important pulses that are grown in India are gram, that is chane, tur or arhad, urad, moong, masur, matar, that is peas, and moth. First of all, let us discuss the objectives of today's class. The first objective is to know about the various types of pulses grown in India. Number 2, to understand the importance of pulses. Number 3, to know the geographical conditions, that is soils and climatic conditions required to grow pulses. Mainly we will discuss in gram in this chapter. Number 4, to understand the methods of cultivation of gram, to know the various uses of pulses, and lastly to know the distribution, that is the areas and states where gram is grown in India. Now let us discuss the new terms that are coming in the chapter. The first term here is pulses. Pulses means dal. Pulses are dry edible seeds of legume plants. Legume plants are the plants that fix the nitrogen from the atmosphere in the soil. So legume plants increase the soil fertility. The examples are beans, gram, peas, etc. The second term is legume. Now what is a legume? A legume is a type of plant, food or fruit that comes from a specific type of plant that is also called a legume. The third term is leguminous plant. Now as I told you, leguminous plants, they have nitrogen fixing bacteria in their roots. So they help in maintaining or restoring the soil fertility. The examples of leguminous plants are beets, turnips and pulses. The next term is rabi crops. Rabi crops are the crops which are grown in winter season. The examples are wheat, mustard. Mustard is sarso. The next term here is fodder or forage. Fodder is a food that is given to farm animals. Fodder means chara. In Hindi we say chara. So it is a food given to farm animals like maize, hay, gram. Gram is chane. The next term is broadcasting. Broadcasting, it is a method of farming in which the seeds are scattered all over the fields by hands. Next, dibbling. Dibbling, it is a method of farming in which the seeds are dropped at a regular interval in the furrows made by a dibbler. Now, dibbler is a pointed wooden stick. You can see here in this diagram. This is a diagram of dibbling and drilling. Here the farmers, they first make furrows at regular interval. Then they drop the seeds in the furrows so that the seeds can grow nicely in those furrows. Now drilling. Drilling, in this method also the seeds are dropped at regular interval in the furrows made by the farmers. But here the furrows are made with bamboo shaft. It is not a wooden stick. It is a bamboo shaft which is used for digging the soil. Now let us see what is the importance of pulses. Pulses, they provide vegetable proteins to a large population, mostly to the people who are vegetarian. In India, they are the main source of, like pulses, they are the main source of protein for the vegetarian population. Pulses are leguminous plants, as we have discussed earlier. They have root nodules. They can fix and use the atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. Hence, they maintain or restore the soil fertility. So, pulses are... In this video, we will discuss gram in detail. Gram, it is a rabi crop, means it is a winter crop. Gram accounts for nearly 37% of the total production of pulses in India. It means that gram is the most important pulse grown in India. India is the largest producer and largest consumer of gram. Gram is chane. In Hindi, it is called chane. Now, the soil required for gram is loamy soil. Loamy soil is a mixture of clay and sand. Now the climatic conditions. First condition will take temperature. Gram, as it is grown in Rabi season, that is winter season, so it needs a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Now, next point is rainfall. Gram, it needs a moderate rainfall of 50 centimeter to 100 centimeter. Now, let us read about the methods of cultivation. Now, gram, as it is a Rabi crop, it is sown in September or November, or you can say between September to November, and it is harvested in February or April. Gram matures in about 150 days. Gram is rotated as pure crop or mixed crop with wheat, barley and mustard. Next, we are going to discuss the uses of gram. The first use of gram is, it is used as dal, roasted or cooked. The second use, its flour, that is besan, is used to make sweets and snacks. Its green leaves are used as vegetable. And lastly, its grain is used to feed horses and cattle. Means the grain are used as fodder, that is chara. At last, we'll see the distribution of pulses in India, the areas and states where gram is grown. Gram is grown in India mainly in Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Haryana. We can locate these states from the map here. Haryana, it is an important producer of gram. Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. With this, we complete with our today's topic. Thank you.